Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. I haven't covered Fantom for a while, was asked to provide an update, and in terms of the Elliott wave count, I think we have come up here from July into October in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive move to the upside. Have had the peak here at 350. There was a lot of expectation going on there. I think we had the certain events and summits and so on. And after that, however, we did sell off with pretty much the entire crypto market. In a very similar pattern, ABC correction. The big question is, is the ABC correction over yet? Or is what we are seeing here just a wave B and the wave A was actually down here? And we're going to see that wave C much lower. This is certainly a scenario that I expect for Bitcoin because the chart in that sense is much clearer for Bitcoin. For Fantom, I would expect it to follow Bitcoin, to be honest. I would expect it to follow Bitcoin, but what we can see here, we are moving up very strongly. We are definitely moving more impulsively here to the upside than many other cryptos. And what you might see here, and you probably will know it from my Bitcoin videos if you are following these, that we are within, if this is the pattern ABC, then you will see the wave C come down lower. And we would see here an A, B, and a C. Yeah, with this C wave going all the way up here into this target area. This target area is basically, or it is based on certain Fibonacci retracement levels from the peak up there to all the way down there. And you would see this target area go between here the 0.5 fib level and the 0.786 fib level, and we are already, and many other cryptos are not yet in that target area. Fantom has just moved in there straight away. The way we move in here is really bullish, and I think we could, if we keep the pace, we could even overshoot that target area. We could even go up to the next fib level all the way up there, which is the 0.887. It will be very interesting to see that, if that is going to play out. This could be a very strong wave B here to the upside. Certainly in here I would now become yeah, I mean, as long as we are in this uptrend, it's all good, it's all good, but we are getting overbought here now on the 4-hour RSI. Yeah, so you can see that on the daily we are now getting into the overbought range. We're just below it, so I would be careful there. I think we will see another dip fairly soon after such a strong uptrend. Nothing goes up in a straight line, and to be honest, at the moment we are going up in a straight line, but there will be, as always, there will be retracements, and this is, to be fair, from all the way down there, I think it's roughly 50%. This is massive, and this is not sustainable in just one move. So I would expect another move down here, just sort of to bring the indicators down, which is just required. But it's impressive what Fantom is doing here. And one of my sell orders just triggered at 227, just below this blue target area. That triggered on Discord. If you're interested to see my buy and sell orders for various cryptos, including Fantom, there are a lot more long-term ones, but yeah, this sell order triggered, and there are more staggered along the way, but I always want to take profits along the way, and this one was triggered. Yeah, but on Discord you can find some of them, and yeah, channel members get access to Discord, silver and gold members, and there's a lot of other stuff on Discord as well, like there's also Telegram live chat and so on. But yeah, it's impressive. I mean, we did break above that descending trend line here as well. You can see that, and we are certainly moving up. If you're following my Bitcoin videos, you know that I would expect another sell-off for Bitcoin after this wave B is finished. This could take us down lower. This could even take us all the way down to, I would say, the next fib level at, yeah, nobody wants to hear it, but probably 86 cents or even 53 cents. I know that sounds very unlikely, but it is what I would expect for Fantom if Bitcoin does a huge sell-off into the region between 20 and 29k. Again, this is some people might call it bearish outlook, and to be fair, yeah, it is quite a bit of a crash, but after that I would expect new all-time highs for Bitcoin fairly soon. I think Bitcoin just needs to finish its correction, and Fantom needs to follow Bitcoin in that respect. What this is probably also a wave 1 and a wave 2 here to the downside. For a wave 2, we might not have come down far enough yes, we did come down to the 0.618 fib level, but many altcoins come actually down to the 0.786 or even the 0.887 fib level in a correction, like for example XRP Ripple did. So yeah, I think we need to expect here potentially another drop. And don't want to scare you or anything, and I could be wrong totally, but in that respect just want to emphasize that it is important to take profits along the way. At least that's what I do. I like to take profits along the way. If you don't want to do that, that's fine, it's up to you. It's no financial advice here, but I just think that it's important to take profits along the way, just at strategic levels, at key fib levels where you often get a turnaround, and just dollar cost averaging out. That is what I do. I don't necessarily wait to the peak of a bull market, because this is very difficult to predict in these times. I would rather then sell at key levels and then buy the dips and go on. So I've got buys and sell orders triggered or set on exchanges, and then wait for these to play out. That has worked very well in the past. I do have a long-term hodl portfolio, but also this trading portfolio. So I think we are already in here, as I said, and expect the next resistance. I'm going to show you that as well. Expect the next resistance at, if we take again the fibs here, just need to go to the right. Just want to make sure I've got the right fibs here. From the top to the low. So I would expect now the next resistance at 260. Yeah, maybe even a little bit lower, because sometimes you don't get there straight away. 260, I think from here then, if we are holding above the 232 level, I think we can expect some further retracement before we then potentially move up further. So 260, yeah, a little bit lower, I would set any sell order. And then we've got the $3 level key area of resistance, because also psychological one, of course, like a round number. And then the one after that, if we can get through $3, that would be 321. Next year anyway, for next year we can expect much higher levels. So let me just go through here, just restore that fib that I had on the chart. So for next year, I think we can expect prices here above $5 certainly. For Fantom, without much surprise, I guess, for everybody, that's at least the 1.618 extension level that I would expect, but probably more likely here 681 or even 887. I wouldn't even be surprised over $10 Fantom. Would be quite ambitious, but I wouldn't be too surprised. I think Fantom has a lot still to show, to develop, and yeah, it's a great project. So hopefully you liked the update about Fantom. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.